Hello my dear students, welcome to another episode of Blast from the Past. Now we'll discuss another previous year JEE Advanced question 2020 from chapter Permutations and Combinations. Read the question. In a hotel, 4 rooms are available. There are 4 rooms are available. 6 persons, 6 different persons and 6 different rooms accommodated in these 4 rooms in such a way that each of these rooms contains, there is a condition, at least 1 person and at most 2 persons. Each of the room contains at least 1 person and at most 2 persons. Then the number of all possible ways in which this can be done. How many ways this can be done? Okay. See. We study a formula, division into group and distribution. Division and distribution of distinct objects. Here there are 6 persons. 6 persons means objects are distinct. How many ways these 6 persons can be distributed into 4 groups? 6 persons can be divide into 4 groups. 2, 2, 1, 1. There is another way? No. Each group containing at most 2 and at least 1. See, if I write in this way, 3, 1, 1, 1. It is not allowed. Why? Maximum is 2. Okay. So, this is the only case. This can be arranged in how many ways? 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into these 2 groups are similar. So, into 2 factorial. Also, these 2 groups are similar into 2 factorial. Okay, are you know this formula? 2n distinct objects divided into 2 equal groups. Equal group means one group contains n objects and also another group contains n objects. The formula is 2n factorial by n factorial into n factorial into 2 factorial. Why write 2 factorial? These 2 groups have same size. If I divide 3n objects into 3 groups, n, this can be divided in 3n factorial by n factorial into n factorial into n factorial into 3 factorial. Here I used same result, 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial. These 2 groups have same size, so I write into 2 factorial. These 2 groups have same size, so write into 2 factorial. Okay, the answer is not completed. Here I divided into 4 groups only. The question says that we distribute these 6 persons into 4 different rooms. Okay. Here we divide only the groups. After dividing these 6 persons, we distribute them. How many ways? So I write into 4 factorial. Why I write 4 factorial? We distribute into 4 different rooms. Okay. Here I write only divided into group into 4 factorial for distribute among 4 different rooms. Simplify this, you get the answer. It's equal to 6 into 4 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial is 2. See, these 2 factorials are cancelled. These 2 factorial is cancelled. 2 into 2, 4 is also cancelled. Remaining 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 4, 120. 120 into 9. 120 into 9. Okay. 120 into 9 is equal to what? 120 into 9. 108. 120 into 9, 108. Then 0. So answer become 1080. Okay. We divide 6 persons into 4 different rooms. First they divide into groups. After that we distribute. Okay. Here we apply the result, division and distribution of distinct objects. Clear? Okay. Thank you.